Super pleased to receive my Ironmaster Adjustable Kettlebell in just 4 days after placing my order. And the shipping was standard free as well. Pretty happy about that, especially since they're in the state of Washington and I am on the East Coast in the Delaware Shore area, so I'm not sure they could have shipped it any further across the continental US. It does come in 2 boxes. Everything included you'll see in this video. Comes with a handle that's 22.5 pounds, a screw that weighs 2.5 pounds to fasten the plates to the handle. Comes with 1 2.5 pound plate and 6 5-pound plates. It allows you to configure the kettlebell in any weight in 2.5 pound increments between 22.5 pounds and 57.5 pounds. So far, changing the plates is simple. Line up the notch on the screw with the arrow on the handle. Insert the screw, tilt the handle toward the plate, turn clockwise about 3/4 of a turn. It seems to make a real solid connection. I've had fitness equipment for decades, but kettlebells are totally new to me. The little info that's out there about the Ironmaster product indicates that the handle is comfortable for one-handed exercises, but also accommodates two-handed exercise as well. Super excited again because of the unlimited number of exercises that you can do with kettlebells. I decided to go with an adjustable kettlebell because of space. We have limited space in our garage gym, or as I like to call it, micro garage gym. The adjustable kettlebell will take up a fraction of the space a full set of kettlebells would. This kettlebell is also, I like to mention, one of the few pieces that I've purchased new or plan to purchase new. Normally, with a little patience, I can find almost anything I want on Craigslist or Marketplace. But I knew that finding one of these Ironmaster units would be virtually impossible, and I've been watching for quite a while, and it's correct. It's very, very difficult to find these used, if at all. One requirement that I have that is absolute when it comes to this kettlebell is that it has to be solid. I have an original set of power block dumbbells that are probably more than 20 years old, and I love them, but they rattle and they jingle and they just aren't solid, make too much noise. And I also have a adjustable set made by Hoist, which apparently they used the original Ironmaster template. And I was hoping, hey, if this kettlebell is as solid as the Hoist adjustable dumbbells, that this would be a perfect fit for me. My initial impression on these units is that they certainly are solid, and that, you know, we expect to be very, very happy with these. If this works the way that I think it's going to work, I'll probably end up ordering an additional weight stack and long screw so that you can get the kettlebell up to a full 80 pounds. Can't wait to get practicing with this kettlebell. After we do, you can look forward to a short field report. We'll circle back and let you know what we thought and how it's working out.